One red fish swimming in the sea, two blue fish splashing joyfully, three yellow fish near the sandy shore, four green fish, and there's plenty more. Fish are swimming more. Fish are swimming, 1, 2, 3, in the water, wild and free. Colors shining bright and true, in the ocean deep and blue. 5 pink fish dot beneath the boat, 6 orange fish so calmly float, 7 purple fish spinning round and round, 8 white fish, where can they be found? Fish are swimming, 1, 2, 3, in the water, wild and free. Colors glowing bright and clear, in the sea they appear. Fish are swimming, 1, 2,